boys, what is up here? We are playing a game of Sion in 2v2v2v2v2v2v2 so we got a tank engine, boys. Let's go. Let's go. I like some tank engines. Finally, we get a tank engine game on a tank. Yeah. Okay, what is my guy Katarina? Self-destruct. Oh, I don't know about that one though. I don't know about that one. Big boy scaling time. Big boy scaling time! Yeah! Oh my god, this is gonna be so goddamn huge. If we can actually like stack up properly. Scoped weapons and stats. I mean, it doesn't seem like they have too much early game. So let's hope we can pull something off here. I'm really hoping for it. Oh, I missed. I'm coming! Damn it. Bastard. Nice. Damn it. Should have kept charging it. Nice. That's one down. Very nice. Very beautiful. I like it. Oh yeah, give me them stacks. Give me them stacks. 54 bonus health, baby. Woo! Of course, in round number 1, it's not gonna do much yet. Let's hope it's Cassiopeia, dude. We can instantly start stacking Heartsteel. Oh my god. Oh my god. I really, really, really hope so, dude. That would be amazing. Hope it's gas so I can insta stack Heartsteel. Oh. Unbreakable, maybe? Like Ambessa, though. Ambessa's cool. Damn, no one is voting Ambessa. Honestly, I could also go for this and go gold. Last moment. Last second decision. Or do we go for... I mean, the problem is I want to scale my tank engine. I really, really want to scale my tank engine. You know what? My guy's going gold. I'm going gold too. Screw it. Let's do it. Let's get Ghost Crawlers. I think my most important thing is to survive until the end of the round. As long as I survive until the end of the round, I get my tank engine stacks, so that's fine. But we're gonna get so much goddamn max HP. Holy crap, dude. The good thing is they all have prismatic. Stupid plant. Nice. One down. Hey, my assist. Did I get it? Nice. 4 takedowns. You know what? I was doubting Katarina's pick of self-destruct, but she's playing well with it. So, happy. Happy, 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 happy. Happy, 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 happy. Good Apex Inventor. Imagine if we get Apex Inventor on top of that. Oh my god. I wasn't even thinking about the future. Oh, give me an Apex Inventor. Actually, and give me a black hole gauntlet, please. Come on, Riot. Yeah, okay. Guess we're going Darksteel Talons. Not exactly giving me max health here, but at least we have some true damage DPS and some armor. Probably go for the Jax first. Nice. Dude, I'm so happy with my Katarina. Holy crap. I'm so happy with you, Katarina. So happy with you. Alright, let's see. This is the first time I get tank engine on a tank. And have a good teammate. It's beautiful. I'm a grown ass man, by the way. And me too. Doesn't. Ay shit. Let me buy this first. Doesn't mean I'm not happy with you. I never get tank engine on actual tanks. Even less stacking it. Especially with an early game Katarina. Oh my god, I'm so happy. She's got hamstringer. Oh, gotta help my Katarina. Oh, what? Oh my god, you fucking bitch. Oh my god, I can't fucking move, you rat! No, my stacks! 3! Oh wait, maybe it was meant to be, it was 666 bonus health. Oh my god. Ah. Lethal tempo and conquer, back to basics. Maybe just go back to basics. I don't have an ult anymore, Katarina. That's like the downside here. That's the downside here. I would have loved the Wisdom of the Ages. Holy shit, that would have been so wild. Oh my god. Wait, what? Oh, that's not optimal. That's not optimal. Oh, maybe she can do something here. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, I should have shut up. I shouldn't have jinxed it. I think I jinxed it, boys. Oh my fucking god. Oh, that sucks. No, I jinxed it. Now Riot doesn't want to give me my stuff anymore. I will banner my Katarina. I might have jinxed it. Might have jinxed it. This is not exactly great. Man, shit. Okay, we still trust. It's fine. No more Undying Rage, that's good. But that was really fucking weird. It's another stack. Sion happy, Sion happy. Alright. Oh my. Oh man. I guess we're going for the tenacity here. I am tenacity. Okay, but we're gonna have so much fucking HP if this all goes well. Apparently it's not going the way I would like it to go, but I mean, who knows, we might find a Goliath or a raid boss here. We're definitely not getting Steal Your Heart anymore, unfortunately. We could still find Black Hole Gauntlet. Wait, what is this? Oh, Syndra. Hang on. Take on. I'm pretty much Goliath size now. Hey, where'd my health go? Give me my health back. Guess we go contract complete. Damn, what's in my eye? Was it a lash? I don't know. Maybe it was. Oh ho ho. I mean, thank you to leave it a school and all. I guess we'll grab it. Exactly what I wanted there, but hey, I want to stack. Executioner? No, probably. A lot. But I want to stack, Riot. Did they get kicked out or did they leave? I guess they got kicked out. But we can't see what kind of stats or what Katarina has gotten. That was a lot of damage. Fuck, we might need a Thornmail here. I want to get my Black Hole Gauntlet though. Damn it. Wind Mask. Shield of Molten is kind of wild too. Ooh, Sword of the Divine is kind of cool because... I mean, probably not. Do you wanna hunt Win or no? You gonna get more? Or should I skip? I don't think he understood what I was asking. I mean, we have a lot of armor together with Dark Steel Talons. It's kind of wild. Oh, that's a lot of damage. Fuck. Holy shit. %. Even they went through that like it was nothing. Need some magic resist, boys. If that team is out, we can just get a Thornmail probably. I mean, the Silas is gonna hurt a lot though. He's got Dreadbringer Doomsayer. Lucky man. Lucky man. You know what? I might just go skip it and go Overlords. We fought these guys earlier and it went fine, so... I mean, he does have Clown College now though. My cat is gonna have to be careful here. Oh, that sucked. Fuck, ow. Fuck! But are we out? No, we're not out. We're almost out. Ooh! I'm fucking humongous now. Look at that, I dwarf these fucking champions. We have 12,000 HP. But we really, really have to win this. Oh boy. You have to kill that guy somehow. My Kata's items are definitely not optimal. Oh shit. Oh, he's won. Nice. Uh-oh. Nice. Nice. Okay, now we get Overlords. We now have 472 AD. Oh my lord. But the only downside here is I don't have Thornmail. Did I get Mail here instead? I get Thornmail, the Caitlyn is not gonna do too much, I think. Go Thornmail first. Punch Chain Lightning, Tab Dancer. I think I should. I feel like I should. Just in this round. We have 490 armor. She doesn't have Borg or what do you call it? Demon type thing, whatever. Yeah. All the damage, my boy. Oh my god, I'm fucking so slow. Nice. Get off my fucking guy! Shit, it's not optimal. Nice. Ooh! Holy fuck. That was so close, dude. Now we get the Overlords. For an anvil, or do I go for a pot? Do I anvil or pot? Oh god, I don't know if I would if I should anvil or pot here. Oh my god, he's got Giant Slayer, that sucks. I have 490 armor though. Fatality and ability haste. Oh boy. Try to hide under me. Like we can do this. We can do this. Believe. I don't have my boots anymore. I'm slow as fuck now. Dude, I'm so fucking slow. I'm so fucking slow. Oh god. Stop. Leave my Katarina alone. Dude, I'm doing so much damage. Oh my god, he's dead. Kill this fucker. Oh, I got him. I got him. I got him. Nice. Oh, he's dead. Oh, get the fuck away. Dude, why the fuck did that last so long? Holy shit. Okay, we got this. We got this. We got this. What is this? Minus 35? I think our build is pretty optimal, as is. Yeah, I guess. Random stats. 220 health. 198 health. Yeah, I mean at this point we just build health. Okay, dude, I deal 800 damage per second here. We have 646 AD. Let's blade. I don't know, reality fracture seems fine. The Katarina just has to stick close to me. Oh no! Shit. Oh, one more smack! Oh, nice. Oh, damn. Oh, nice. The guy's down. We're Gucci. We win this. Damn it. Okay. Nice. Boom. Okay, one more. Let go. Holy shit, dude. 20k HP. How many stacks are we at? 18. Okay. Let me think here. We need this, this, this. And then one of these. I want us to get some attack speed here, I think. Well, I guess we'll buy a hat as well. Look at how fucking giant we are, dude. I'm like a slow walking zombie giant. Look at this, like the huge talent, dude, we're so fucking big, dude. This is so cool. Finally, I get a tank engine Goliath on an actual tank, dude. 18 stacks on it as well. Oh my lord. He just has to kind of stick close to me. $23,000 HP almost. Okay. Shit, I'm having such a hard time getting close to them though. It's so hard to get close. Oh no! Oh god, no, that's kind of bad. Damn. Uh-oh. Okay, those guys down. One more. One more. Yeah! Oh my god, look at how fucking giant we are, boys. Beautiful. Beautiful game. Oh god, I want to see my stacks. I want to see everything. I want to see everything. Everything. Oh! Beautiful game, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Finally, giant.